This is a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country, and we are replacing the heater blower motor. The heater blower motor is located below the glove box, right down here. First thing we have to do is to remove this cover underneath the glove box. It's held on by some push pins. There's one push pin right here. On that side, and way over on this side over here okay, got it. Alright, now that we have that cover down, we can get at the blower motor. There's the electrical connection right here. We want to remove that. Alright, we got that out of the way. Now the wire has a little clip right here on the blower motor. Get that out of the way. Now the motor itself is held on by 3 T20 screws. So let's start with this one back here. The furthest one. The toughest one. Okay, I can just use that with the socket. Alright, there's that one. This one right here. Very small, not too long. Alright, here's the last one right here. Hey, you're coming out before I'm ready for you. Alright, there's the last screw, and there should be nothing holding the blower motor. Here she comes. And here's the blower motor. She's all out. Alright, now to replace the motor, what we have to do is to reverse our steps from here. Put our motor back in position. Okay. Let's see. I'll start one screw, hold it in place. I'm screwing in the closest one to me, and that should hold it in place like that. There we go. And then we have this one right here, which is the next easiest one to put in. Okay, now for the hardest one, way in the back. Here is the hardest one right here. Boy, I'm glad that goes in easy. Look at that. Without the nut driver. I got it just about all the way in. There. Great. Next we have to put on our electrical connector. We got this little piece right here that pushes in to hold the wire up like that. Now we put our electrical connection back on the motor like that. Alright, next we have to put our bottom cover back in position. There's two push pins that hold it in place. There's one. And my other push pin is here. It's over on the other side. Right here. There. The cover is back in position. So that's all there is to replacing your heater blower motor on your Chrysler Town & Country.